Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot this issue. If I want to reset my PC and reinstall the Windows, so I'm getting the error. Let me show you the error. Reset this PC. Okay, if I click on reset this PC and click on get started, it is giving me the error like could not find the recovery environment. Okay, insert your Windows installation or recovery media and restart your PC with the media. Okay, so you can also choose this option, make a bootable pen drive, and then go to advanced options and restart, and go to advanced repair automatic and reset your PC from there. Okay, so now how we can troubleshoot this issue. So in order to troubleshoot this issue, the first option is command prompt. I will show you how we can regenerate but I will show you the first in the command prompt. Okay, how we can do that and how we can able to reset it. Go to CMD. Okay, right click on it and run it as an administrator. Click on yes button when the prompt opens. Now we need to type here the command reagent C. Okay, then give a space and then this slash / and info. Okay, you can see window re status is disabled now, so we need to enable this option in order to reset our PC. Okay, so how the command is very simple. Type reagent C, then give a space and then this slash and enable. Hit enter. Okay, now you will see Windows re-image was not found. So if you are getting this error, the Windows recovery image was not found, it means that you don't have the recovery partition in your disk management. Okay, let me show you. Now you can see here I have only the UEFI system partition, not the recovery one. That's why I'm getting this error. If you are getting this same error, I will make a separate video on it. If you have all the recovery partitions in your disk management but still getting the same error, okay, you can try this command first. This is the command. Okay, and if you get this successful, try reset your PC again. Okay, and check if it's working fine or not. If still getting the same issue, we need to make a recovery media creation. In order to make it, insert your pen drive. Okay, so here is my pen drive. All data will be lost in your pen drive. So go to search bar, then type here create recovery. Okay, you will see create a recovery drive. Click on that, click on yes. Okay, now backup your files to the drive. Click on next. Okay, and you will see some required file are missing. To troubleshoot problem when your system can't find, use your Windows installer. Click on next and wait for the process to make the recovery pen drive recovery media on your, and then try. Your issue will be fixed. Okay, go to again, press shift and click on restart, and click on restart. Hold the shift key until you get the automatic repair screen. So I'm keep holding it. You can see here, and we will try the reset from the automatic repair options. Okay, go to troubleshoot. Okay, still not showing the. Okay, you can see here there is no reset option. If you are getting the reset option, you can try reset from here. Okay, so this is how you can troubleshoot this issue. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.